Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. Hello, enthusiasts. Welcome to our next opening up the box and finding out what's inside of it. So today we're going to do our purple polka dot bag, and it says a few of my favorite things. I'm going to give you guys a hint. If you've been opening our Notions and gift boxes for a while, this is the same that it always is, but a little different. Okay, so a few of my favorite things. We always include 13 items. Sometimes 12 is a common magical number that's used for holiday countdowns and holiday boxes. But for this one, we are choosing to include 13, and this is always our 13th item. It's a few of my favorite things. And I'm going to tell you a few of my favorite things come from Cotton Cuts, the company we are at right now. And so this bag is going to include a bunch of fun things that are from Cotton Cuts. So the first thing we pull out is a cute little Cotton Cuts ruler. This is like if you've got a kid in school and they need a ruler to take with them, this is the ruler to take. It's so stinking cute. We love it that it's so tiny. And of course it has a Cotton Cuts name on it. We have a Cotton Cuts sticker, a die cut sticker. I know people love stickers. It's a thing. Like this sticker, if you were to walk into a store, it'd be like $3 or $4. Like that's bonkers. But we love our die cut stickers, and so we definitely included one for you. We've got our rose gold pins. These guys, I swear, I was at a meeting earlier this week, and everyone had these rose gold pins, and they could not stop talking about how much they love them. And it has the little rubberized stylus on the back as well, if you have a cell phone or an iPad or a touchscreen device. And then we've included our tape measures because we love tape measures. You can never have enough tape measures. We are measuring a whole bunch of stuff all the time around here. And then we've included, so this is intended to be on the back of your phone. So you can put it on the back of your phone as a clip to hold on to. But we've also found a pretty cool application. You can put this on your sewing machine and you can hang your scissors from it. So as you're stitching away, you can put this on your sewing machine. Just put your little snips right there. And when you need them, they're always at hand. I know we've seen some where they're like lanyards and things that you can pull. I always feel like I'm going to stab myself with those. So I do kind of like the safety of just attaching it to the side of my sewing machine and being able to put my snips right in there, and they're always at hand when I need them. So we always like to give just a little bonus gift, just a little fun way to say thank you. I know these pens are super valuable. People love these pens. They always ask for these pens, and so we were glad to be able to include them in this go around of some of our favorite things. We love this one. We like these little bonus gifts, these little fun things, and we were very happy to be able to share them with you. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.